So first of all, I will show you a visible keyboard in your laptop. How can you turn on your visible keyboard in your laptop? It's such a very simple way. So come over these search options and search for on-screen keyboard. Here you can see on-screen keyboard appear and just click on it. And then here you can see visible your on-screen keyboard in your laptop. You can type whatever you want by this on-screen keyboard. Here I show you. We just want to write on-screen keyboard by this on space screen, and by this you can see you can write. If you're happy with this visible keyboard, then it's okay. But if you are not, then you just come over the search option and search for device manager. Here you can see device manager effort, and then maximize it and come over these keyboard sections. Click on it, and then I have 4 driver in my keyboard sections. If you see any driver, just click on that driver, press your right mouse button and go for update driver. And then come over to this browse my computer for drivers. Just click on it and then click next. And by this, you can update your driver. My driver is updated already. That's why it is saying the best driver for your device are already installed. Maybe your problem will be solved by this. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.